This is the starting part. This is how it looks right now. Hi! So they are going to make this place beautiful. So we'll see how it looks at the end. Dustbins are prepared here, and this is for water supply. So you get a hole here. From here the water will be supplied. This is how they prepare. Dekho. How nicely they've done. यहाँ पे नहीं है, पानी यहाँ से डालेगा और होगा सप्लाई यहाँ से. And that's the venue. यहाँ पे अभी प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है, शादी कल का है. The all decorations are done by Dacha event, and then I'm gonna show you their work, how they do the preparation. So this is the church. The wedding will be happening here. I'm going inside now. Let's see. So we're going inside now. The preparation is still going on. Flowers. Hi. Okay. So that's how they are going to do. So guys, it's coming out. Wow, look at that. Still yet to be done. More flowers will be adding here. Now the chairs will be arranging here. The food stall is ready there. Everything is ready for tomorrow. Waiting for the final looks. Now it's looking like this. अच्छा दिख रहा है ना? Cleaning is happening now. All this will be cleaning. Cleaning still going on there. यहाँ पे clean कर चुका है अभी देखो. Nice. And yeah, there needs to be like sofa will be coming there, and this is how it does. Oh my god, the chair will be arranging by tomorrow morning. And see la कितना अच्छा से बनाया है देखो guys. So here is done by Dacha Events. यहाँ पे team लोग है. 3 people, no?
Yes, 3 people.
These decorations has done by only 3 people. Men, second helper, and the first helper is down there. He's also doing some work there. So yeah, after arranging this chair, it will be really nice, no? Yeah. Still he's doing some work. The place is too good actually. Yeah, open place. There's a school, SFS school is there. Be there. Hand wash. यहाँ पे hand wash होगा. Dustbin all there. Highway. Again, you'll also see here some cherry blossom. यहाँ से आपको cherry blossom भी मिलेगा देखो. Nice. Oh my god, so nice. Wow, this is how it looks. So definitely Dacha Events को आप call karo, contact karo. It's not based on Senapati, but they also does all over in Manipur. So anywhere from Manipur, just call advance, and then they are right in your place to make your day special and the best. From low budget to a luxury events, anything, birthday party, wedding, marriage, engagement, कोई भी पार्टी का हो, आप Dacha Events को कॉल कर सकते हो, and then yes, make your day special. This is the 4:40 PM vibes, guys. अभी भी ऐसे ही है. They're still messing up. Tomorrow morning there will be all setup done. So आज का यही है. आज का इतना ही, यहीं से खत्म होने वाला है. And 4:40 PM it's so dark here. 4:40 PM in Senapati is this dark, guys, and there is no lights. So there are like lots of Christmas lights are already has put in the church and then schools and houses, but there is no light in the evening, so you'll not able to see anything right now. Dekho. Actually not waiting for tomorrow, so they are going to arrange all the chairs right now, so we'll show you the final looks today. Oh, everyone is so busy, guys. Oh, guys, light aa gaya. See, that's the school. SFS school looks so beautiful right now. And here's the wooden venue. यहाँ से लड़का और लड़की आने वाला है, घूम के आएगा एंड देन यहाँ पे रखेगा यहाँ पे आएगा एक और चेयर, सोफा, and that's it. So these are the table setup. Pork table 2, pork table 3, pork table वैसे करके यहाँ पे होगा खाना का. And I'm gonna show you guys the church decorations. Okay, so let me go and show you there. Sorry guys, it's closed. Oh, it's closed or open? Oh, it's open. Sorry, it's open. यहाँ से ऐसा आता है light. And yeah, this is look. Oh wow, so beautiful. All over lights. रात में ऐसा दिखेगा. See, guess the church guys. अंदर में दिखाएगा अभी. Prayers हो रहा है अभी. There's prayers happening right now inside, so I think it's all set up. अच्छे से हो गया है setup शादी के लिए. Oh wow, this side. I don't want to disturb inside because there are prayers happening. Wow. Feeling so Christmas, guys. इधर में नीचे देखो. नीचे देखो. इतना क्रिसमस फील हो रहा है ना गाइस. ये चर्च गेस अंदर में. कल का tomorrow marriage will be happening here, so all the halls, all the church is decorated so beautifully, but I'm not going inside because prayer is happening and I don't want to disturb. So bye guys. Goodbye night. गाड़ी का लाइट्स लगा के काम कर रहे हैं बंदे लोग. यहाँ पे almost done. After this we'll move out to home. देखो यहाँ पे कौन काम कर रहा है. मीटिंग लेके आया यहाँ पे. Actually this was open, so they told to put something white, so putting this tin here behind me. Oh, that's look nice by the way. It's 7:40 AM next day and we are here to see the final look of the stage. And this is almost done, so they have changed this one. यहाँ पे और flowers add किया गया है जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. You may see only white and green here because theme is white and green. So basically they use only white and greens all over. So the theme is white and green. So you can actually have any colors theme, any type of decorations you can order according to your preference. So right now still finalized, yet to be done. People are still going a lot of things in mind to be changed. This is looking really good, you can see here. So here's the groom. Finally the groom and bride name is here, and here's the photo booth. Actually within is for 2 person, but make run everyone. See, everyone is working from the morning. See, some are still doing there. Oh my god, इतना काम होता है शादी में. They have already put the towel. Now water is ready. Like even the water is filled here. Now the water is also filled, so if we remove this it will come. ऐसा आ जाएगा. So it's very easy. How nicely they have prepared. See, they have put hand wash, towel, everything is set. So easy, है ना? And that's the venue. The best view right now. Chairs on the top, and then the venue on the down. So last final touch is giving by Payo. Yeah, so this is done, guys. लास्ट में आके हो गया। जब मेकअप करके खत्म करने से वो स्प्रे देता है ना, वही कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे भी लास्ट फाइनल कर रहे हैं। So the items, chicken will be there, and there is khasi. Mutton will be there, pork will be there, and this is the reception area. And yes, we are done. So I'll show you the final looks now.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's ebb and flow.
So that's how it looks from the stage. Wow. So here, this is another place. This is in Mauches, near the Mauches. So यहाँ का here it's like white, pink, peach color theme. So this is also done from Dutch Events, guys. All set, ready to go for the day. और नीचे में मैट डाला गया है, देखो आप देख सकते हो नीचे में मैट।